Okay, so how's it going? I just want to give you guys a little bit of help with piecewise functions, with graphing them. And so let's get started on one. Let's make one up really quick. Let's call this one f of x. This piecewise function will be, say I'll have 3 parts. One will be 3, and this will only exist when x is greater than or equal to, let's say, 5. And let's just have 2 parts. Let's have one that says 2x minus 1. And this is going to exist when x is less than 5. Okay, so I'm going to graph both parts. I would like to get a feel for everything here. So let's graph the first one. The first one is really just a line y equals 3. This means that it's just a horizontal line where all the y values are 3. So that's this horizontal line. So if I draw it first, I can get a feel for where it's at. But I don't want to keep all of this. I only want this to exist when x is greater than 5. So this means that this is true when this. So the graph is 3 when x is greater than 5. So 5 is right about here. So I want only everything after that. So I'm going to erase everything before that. Let me erase everything before that. And then at that point, I have to put an open or closed circle to determine whether I'm including that point. Now, because it's greater than or equal to, that means I know that I'm including that point. So I am going to, in fact, put a closed circle. And this is going to go on forever over here. And then very similarly, I'm going to go in the other direction. With the other one, it's y equals 2x minus 1. That's slope-intercept form. Y equals 2x minus 1. Negative 1 is my y-intercept right here. And then from there, I use my slope. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, go the other way. And I can graph this thing. And going in the other direction as well. Now, I only want this to be when x is less than 5. Conveniently, I stopped right at when x is 5, which is right there. So I'm going to put an open or closed circle. Well, because there's no line underneath the inequality, I'm going to put a open circle. And voila, I've graphed this piecewise function.